The Indian Super League has announced this year's season final, which will be played on Saturday, May 4th. It will be played at the home ground of the higher ranked team in the league amongst the finalists. Mohan Bagan pipped Mumbai City FC in a thriller on 15th April to win the league shield, with FC Goa finishing third. Kolkata, Mumbai and Goa are therefore in contention to host the Indian Super League final. The tickets of the match will go on sale once the venue is confirmed. Odisha FC and FC Goa emerged victorious in their knockout matches against Kerala Blasters FC and Chennai FC respectively, securing their places in the Indian Super League semi-finals. The semi-final action kicks off today with Mohan Bagan Super Giants facing Odisha FC in Bhubaneswar, while tomorrow FC Goa will clash with Mumbai City FC in the first leg of their semi-final matchup in Goa.